Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Marcus by Goldman Sachs to your bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from your Marcus by Goldman Sachs account to your bank, begin by logging into your Marcus account. Visit the official Marcus by Goldman Sachs website or open the app on your device. Enter your username and password to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Savings or Accounts section of the dashboard. Locate the option for Withdraw Funds or Transfer to Bank. Select this option to proceed with the withdrawal process. You will be prompted to choose the bank account where you wish to transfer the funds. If you have previously linked your bank account, select it from the list. If not, you will need to link a new bank account. To link a new bank account, enter the requested information such as the bank name, account number, and routing number. Ensure all provided details are accurate to avoid delays in processing. After selecting or linking your bank account, specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the transaction details carefully, ensuring everything is correct. Once verified, confirm the withdrawal request. You should receive a confirmation on the screen indicating that your withdrawal is in process. Typically, funds will be transferred to your linked bank account within a few business days. Check your bank account regularly to monitor the status of the transfer. If the funds do not appear after a few days, consider contacting Marcus customer service for assistance. Be sure to keep records of your transaction for your personal financial tracking. Follow this process each time you want to withdraw funds from your Marcus account to your bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.